Welcome to Automotive Control in Bristol. We've got a 2014 Audi RS4 in with us this morning. We have added reversing camera and Apple CarPlay stroke Android Auto onto the original Audi multimedia display. The system retains all the original Audi features and functions, so nothing's been changed or lost. We've simply added another menu into the system. We press and hold nav for a second or so, and then that brings up either Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, depending on what device that you've got connected at the time. So we obviously have all the typical features, Spotify and all the features that are enabled whilst using Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. We've also got a voice command search, steering wheel control still work, and control the CarPlay and Android Auto. Parking camera is pretty seamless. Pop it into reverse. We get a picture of the rear camera, moving guidelines with the steering wheel, and also the fibre optic retention display, which is this image there. So you can still see your fibre optics front and back when you're parking. Come out of reverse into park, and you'll go straight back into the previous menu, which in this case is the wireless Android Auto, which has now got split screen, which is pretty cool. So we can have music and maps as well split onto the screen. This type of job takes place at our workshop in Bristol, typically around the sort of 4 to 5 hour mark with the rear camera, about 2.5 hours without the rear parking camera. If your car's already got a parking camera, then that will still work in exactly the same way. It's just this particular RS4 didn't have a parking camera, so we've added that in as well. Yeah, thank you very much for watching Automotive Control in Bristol.